Good morning, friends. 23rd lecture on Introduction to Research. Friends, in this lecture, I have invited an expert to talk to you on use of ICT tools for research. You may be wondering how ICT tools can be useful in our research. So the expert will start with the importance of the topic itself, how ICT tools can be helpful to you researchers at various steps or stages of research. For example, in literature review, in defining a research problem, in data collection, in measurement, in simulation, in writing paper, proofreading of paper, language checking of paper. So there are so many stages where we can use these ICT tools. So the expert will start with the importance of the topic, as I said, different types of ICT tools, how these tools can be useful, how these tools can be applied. For example, a very interesting tool that is known as Padlets. Now, what is this Padlet all about? So Padlet is basically a kind of a wall, a digital wall, so that can be useful to a researcher. Another very interesting tool is Mendeley or Zotero. So Mendeley and Zotero, they are for reference management. Whatever different papers, articles, conference papers, presentations that you select, it is very much necessary to arrange them in a proper sequence so that from anywhere, anytime you can have access. So Mendeley and Zotero can help you. There is a website called Bibsonomy. It is an online bookmarking system for scientific work, so that also the expert will cover. There is something called varies.doc, varies dot variesdoc.com. So I think that is to search different articles, PowerPoint presentations, Excel sheets, so many things you can explore using these tools. There is something called Turnitin for plagiarism check. Then for language checking also there are tools available. Ginger is a tool that is freely available. So many such tools are freely available to the researchers, and if you use them effectively, definitely in a shorter span you can complete a lot of work. So this lecture will be very interesting. I request all of you to please pay attention during this lecture and ask all your queries, doubts to the experts. Later on, I will also try to cover the remaining part, or maybe whatever queries are left out, I'll try to cover in my next session. Thank you, friends.